Day everyone, learn how to enable developer option on any Android phone. It is very easy to do it, and let's go ahead and do that. So we need to look for the settings icon, and I have right there. I'll just open it. Now here we need to look for anything which says system or system management. So I'll click on system management. I do see the developer option, but by any chance if you do not see developer option like this, I'll just turn it off and I'll go back, and now I'll go to system management again. I do not see the developer option now. So to enable that, we need to go to this about phone, and we need to go to this software information. So the motive is to go to the model number, the build number. So wherever you find the build number of your phone, the OS, you just need to do a tap like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it says you are now one step away from developer. Now it may ask for the pin. You can simply enter your pin, whatever it is. It says you are now developer. Okay, now if I'll go back and I'll go to settings and system management, I see the developer option is right there, right? So this is how you can enable the developer option in your Android phone like Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Google Pixel. You can, try on anything like that. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.